All right, so I'm gonna make another video here, and this is gonna be showing you a more clear way on removing an ignition for a Chevy Silverado 2000, 2001 to 99 to 05 General Motors vehicle. So turn this guy, put the car in reverse. Okay, I'm gonna bring this guy up here like this. So put it on reverse so that the car won't crank. Then when it's on the run position, get your poke, press down. It's gonna slide right out. There you go. That's how you take it out. Remember, this is what you're depressing. To put it back in, straight up, in, turn a little bit, and there you go. That's another way, a more clear way than the first way I showed you. This is if you actually want to just swap the ignition out. The other way, it's if it's been stolen or they damaged the ignition for whatever reason, you tackle the sidebar. But let's say you lost the key, you want to replace the ignition, you will simply stick your key in there, put the car in reverse, turn it, press down here on the little hole, remove it, ignition comes out, put it back on parking. Remember, keep your foot on the brake, get the new ignition lock, make sure that this device is upward, and push in, turn it a little bit, and voila, we're all done. Okay, thank you guys.